Here comes Dr. Sparks.
Here he comes.
Out on an adventure.
Do you know what my Taiwanese name is? Kumo. Kumo 就是卷毛的意思. Actually, I got lots of Taiwanese names. Kumo, QA, AQ, Dua-Q. Yeah, I got lots and lots of Taiwanese names. But I also have one other name. When I take this right here, and I put this around my head like this, just like that. Oh, then you can call me Kung Fu Sparks. Boys and girls, I have got amazing Kung Fu. Do you want to see my Kung Fu?
Yes.
Fantastic. Boys and girls, right here, I've got a piece of wood. I'm going to break this piece of wood with my hand. You ready? Ay-yo-ya. Nah, it didn't work. Wait a minute. I remember. That's why I have the newspaper here. Boys and girls, I'm going to break this piece of wood with one hand and a newspaper.
You gotta use head.
That didn't work. Wait a minute. I remember now. There's one more thing I'm forgetting. I'm going to break this piece of wood with one hand, newspaper, and science. I forgot about the science. It's very important to use science. Boys and girls, I'm going to open up this newspaper. Okay. Oh, whew. I hope I can do this. Okay, think I'm ready, but I need you guys to give me a little bit of energy. You guys say with me, say Kung Fu Sparks.
Kung Fu Sparks.
Get more.
Kung Fu Sparks.
More.
Kung Fu Sparks.
One more.
Kung Fu Sparks. Wow.
One more time.
Kung Fu Sparks.
Oh. Hey. Boys and girls, I broke the wood in half using my hand, a newspaper, and science. Science is the important thing here. Boys and girls, how did I do that? Is the newspaper heavy? I can pick it up with my nose. So the newspaper's not heavy. How did the newspaper hold it down? So it's not heavy. So how did the newspaper hold it down and let me break it?
Under this newspaper.
Nothing.
It's in this newspaper. Okay.
Those are two very good questions. What is under the newspaper? What is in the newspaper? The answer to that, nothing. There's one more question that we should ask, and that is, what is on the newspaper? Air. And the air that's on the newspaper is pushing down on the newspaper. The air that's pushing down on the newspaper is as heavy as 160 kilograms. That's 差不多160公斤. Boys and girls, this is air pressure. And this is what we're going to learn about today.
How does it work? What makes it go? Can you please tell me why? At Dr. Sparks Junior Scientist Club, we'll give it all a try. Give it all a try. Oh.
There goes Dr. Sparks.
There he goes.
Out on an adventure.
Oh, yeah.
Using science. do science is so much fun.